here we have some color tone with the light color, especially the cream and light pink. Different tone of the light pink and different tone of the cream. You could see. And here, once you go very closer, and you see the mixed color dots, it occurred on the top of the cream color, especially the cream. And also you can find it's not so pure pink of this one. And this is the 4 colors CMYK printing. And today we are trying if that could be resolved with the other printing solution. So we are using the 8 colors. Here, let's try. And then we try this one. Here with the ripped file, you could not see clearly what it is, but actually here is with the color tone, different tone of the cream and the pink. So during printing, and now we are printing on the polyester material. So before heating up, the polyester printing outlook is not that much obvious. So you may not see clearly what exact it printed, but actually it is under printing with the pink now. The different shade of the pink. Yeah, and now we could not see it clearly, right? Yeah. So with the 2 heads, 8 colors, let's see what the printing time it is. It will be a little bit slower than the 2 heads CMYK 4 colors. And now with the turn of one of the head, it just set it up with 4 colors. The other head is set up with the light colors. In total 8. So let's see how long it needs for printing one piece of the sock. And printing length is 60 centimeters long. Okay, so with the 2 pieces of the sock after printing with the 8 colors, let's now heat it and see the final result. Okay, so this process needs around 3 to 4 minutes for heating it up, bake it. After heating, it will be completely dried. So now 3 to 4 minutes is done and it is coming out. So the whole process is completed. Let's see how it looks like. And now it is with 8 colors, not 4 colors anymore. So let's see if the color will be tiny with small details you could see and know the small dots anymore. Okay, now it is the comparison. So after this is the 8 colors, and this is the 4 colors. So with CMYK, you see with the cream, you can clearly see the small dots of the mixed color ink. Well, here, with the 8 colors, you could see nothing, almost nothing, right? So the color now is much more fine. And then see this pink color. And you can see clearly from this one and this one, this part, you can see the color difference. Now it's much more fine, right? Okay, this is the 8 colors, and this is the 4 colors. So once you have the high request for the color image quality, you could choose the 8 colors.